It was just a few weeks ago that I left Detroit, Michigan at 5 a.m. at the tail end of a snowstorm and drove to Mancuso Collision and Custom in Glenview, Illinois, so that I could share one of the best moments of my life with some of the most important people in my life. Recently, I fulfilled one of my lifelong dreams and bought my first Italian exotic car, a Lamborghini Gallardo LP 560. These are the actual photos of that car a few thousand miles before it ran into a guardrail and was totaled. I really didn't know what to expect at first. It was nerve-wracking withdrawing the almost $46,000 from my bank account to pay for this Lamborghini. But as it turned out, the damage looked much worse than it actually was. I personally think that this was my best salvage purchase to date. In between busting knuckles on our Ferrari project, I traveled to V-Tune's garage to get started on the Lamborghini. V-Tune fabricated a new frame brace and restored its quarter panel all within a few days, substantially improving the destroyed look of this Lamborghini. The next step was to get everything to paint, but I couldn't help think that such an epic car should be painted in epic color. The factory color here is Nero Noctis, which is Lamborghini's way of saying black. Not metallic black, not pearl black, just black. It's basically the same color as this Jetta, or this Sentra, or this Lincoln. When I think of a Lamborghini, I think of Verde Mantis, Blue Calum, or Oroncio Borealis. But by far my favorite Lamborghini color might be Giallo Midas Pearl, or the brightest pearl yellow ever painted on a car. It's beautiful, loud, and almost every Lamborghini was painted this color, which isn't a bad thing. I love it. But if we're going to go through the effort to do a full color respray on this Lamborghini, I knew it should be something different, something really unique. And that's why I brought this car over 1,000 miles away from my home to Mancuso Collision and Custom. Their reputation is known as the best when it comes to collision work, which is really imperative since our Lamborghini isn't quite perfect. And when it comes to custom projects, if you can dream it, they have the skill to make it reality. After seeing some of their current projects and getting a few ideas, we landed on one of the most beautiful new OEM Lamborghini colors that's never ever been painted on a Gallardo. Until now. Lamborghini is disassembled, we're going to take the opportunity to install our brand new Armitrix titanium valved exhaust. I have a very similar exhaust on my Audi R8 and it sounds incredible. It speaks for itself, and this unit will save about 60 pounds from the factory exhaust, which was damaged in our accident. One of the valves is bent and doesn't even operate anymore. One of the exhaust tips was just completely smashed in. We've got a whole new setup right here. Let me rip this box open and show you exactly what we're going to be throwing on our Lamborghini. First thing out of the box, check this out. These are the exhaust tips that I got. They're this awesome kind of matte black color, and this is going to go really well because my plan is to get the wheels also powder coated in black, and so it will accent the bright paint job perfectly. Oh yeah. I'm going to unwrap this and I'm going to show you how beautiful this thing is. I love the detail that are put into these Army Tricks exhausts. Look at the titanium welds. No wonder why so many people with Lamborghini Gallardos and Huracans and these exhausts are going bumperless. And again, check this part out. One arm, lift it no problem. I think this weighs about 12 pounds. The factory unit is closer to 80. As cool as this car would look bumperless with an Army Tricks exhaust, Ted has put a ton of man hours into that rear bumper, so I can't do that to him. This rear bumper is going on after we put the exhaust on, but people will still know we've got something a little bit different when they hear us coming. my God.
Nice.
This is incredible.
Nice.
It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas.
Wow.
Wow. System. I made sure it was open. I'm pressing that button right there. Now let's give it a few revs. These systems never ever disappoint. The best exhaust ever. You only get that sound out of a titanium exhaust, specifically one from Army Tricks. The Lamborghini's almost ready to be transported back home, but there's just a few loose ends to tie up. Well, it's still here at Mancuso. Up front, we've got to reinstall our windshield and front side glass. If we take a look around back, the rear bumper's been removed, and that's because I misplaced the wiring harness that runs to the rear license plate lights. I was lucky to track one of these down. It was fairly inexpensive at around $40 and ordered 2 brand new license plate lights. Funny thing is that these license plate lights are the same ones off of a first generation Audi TT. Everything from there is plug and play. It should be really simple, and they'll reinstall the rear bumper. While the bumper was off, Ted went and installed our brand new exhaust tips, and they look awesome. I can't wait to powder coat the wheels. I really think it will bring the look of the car together. Now, if you look around, you'll see our wheels aren't in perfect shape. A few of them have curb rash. If you remember, one was originally destroyed in the accident, and when I brought them to the balancing shop, one of them was out of round. So I've sourced another replacement wheel, but all of these need some sort of refinishing, and that's why we're going to just send them to the powder coating shop. But I want to hear from you. Originally, I was thinking maybe a satin black, then I'm thinking gloss black, and I don't know, maybe gunmetal would look really good. So let me know down in the comment section below what color you would get these wheels. I really think a darker color will fit this car well and tie in all the black accents really nice. You don't have to have some sort of exotic or luxury car to come to Mancuso. They work on everything. I mean, here is a newer Volvo right here, BMW M5. Of course, we got the Ferrari, but then look, there's a Toyota right here, an older Honda CR-V in the back, a little bit of everything. Older RAV4 over there. Here's the Tesla that Alex and I worked on, and they came in and they filled all the blanks where we couldn't, specifically on the roof. Let me show you this roof repair really quick. It is outstanding. It looks brand new. And guys, they didn't even cut this roof out. This was all done just with metal, body, and paint work. Now, a lot of us pay insurance premiums every single month and hope we never have to call the insurance company. But if your car is ever involved in a collision or an accident, you do make that call. A lot of the times, an insurance company will recommend to you their body shop that they recommend. Well, I want to tell you, you should always do your own research. And if you're in or around the Chicago area, when it comes to getting an insurance repair done on your car, you need to make sure you come check out Mancuso. They put this level of effort into really everything they're working on. So I'm going to link them down in the description box below. And if you want to see some of the custom projects that they're working on, kind of like the purple Lamborghini, check out their Instagram, because they literally have dozens of different incredible cars and just super creative projects. And if you're looking to have a custom project done, don't discount it. Maybe transporting your car out of state is the right decision, because when it's done, I mean, this is the sort of final product you can expect, and it's outstanding. I want to give a huge thanks to each and every one of you for watching, because without you, stuff like this wouldn't be possible. And until the Lamborghini gets back down to Florida, we'll finish it up and drive it with the top down and listen to that incredible exhaust. I'll catch you very soon.